Hey guys, I have something really cool here. I just got it from a convention. It is a crimped ancient Mew. This is super cool. It was unrecognized. The guy was selling it for $100. I split it with my dad, and so now I'm going to be opening it. See? Okay, so I have the scissors. I'm going to pause this, and when I get back, it will be opened because I don't have 3 arms. So yeah, I'll alert you guys about it. Yeah. Okay, so the wrapping's off. I did not take it out yet, so here it is. Should be a crimp. Yep, here it is. This thing is so cool. It's got a bunch of creases in it, but that is 100% fine. Because it's crimped. Dude, this is so freaking cool. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put this in the sleeve, like, right now. Here it is in penny sleeve and semi-rigid. It's got the crimp at the bottom. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. It's got creases in it, but I could not care less. It's freaking crimped. So yeah, this is gonna be going on my YouTube channel as a showing off. Yeah.